Do you know many people are having trouble with spotting on their dishwasher? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Use Rinse Aid. Always use a liquid rinse aid to minimize water spots forming on your dishes. Step 2. Check water temperature. Ensure your dishwasher's incoming water temperature is at least 120 Fi, 49C. Step 3. Select High Temp. Select High Temp and Sani rinse options to improve cleaning performance. Step 4. Manage detergent. Use the correct amount of detergent. Using too much can cause etching. Step 5. Run vinegar cycle. Run a vinegar rinse cycle to remove existing spots without adding detergent. Step 6. Clean filters. Regularly clean the dishwasher's filters to maintain optimal cleaning efficiency. By following these steps, you can enjoy sparkling dishes without the annoying spots. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other KitchenAid users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.